Welcome to a very warm winter's day in Chesterfield. The temperature's sat at around 14 degrees at the moment, and it is spots of rain. We're in the second week of winter, and this time last year we'd actually got about 4 or 5 inches of snow, and the temperatures was about -4, -5. It's been a couple of weeks since I've done a video because of the season, because of the youngster, and I've now found a bit of time, a bit of daylight and a bit of decent weather to do an update on the pond. What we're going to have a look at today is we'll have a quick look inside the main pond, and we'll also have a look into the We'll also have a look at the grow on tank as well, with the fry from Byer koi in there. One thing that I've been meaning to do for a while as well is update the heater on the indoor grow on tank. At the moment I've got a couple of 300 watt fish tank heaters in there. They're doing a decent job. They're keeping the temperature up at 20-21 degrees. They're not ideal for the job, and they'll be running flat out. So I've got a 1 kilowatt heater from Cloverleaf that I'm going to install in there, which will boost the temperature up a lot quicker, be running a lot shorter, and hopefully keep it a bit more consistent. If anybody's watching the video and they're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down the bottom corner and check out some more videos. If you've got any questions on anything you see on the video, please write them in the comments below and I'll reply as soon as possible. Sit back and we'll have a look. That's the outdoor grow on tank, and you can see the fry picking at the food that's been left while it's dropped in when I've disconnected the feeder. And they're like that all the time there's any food to be had. We'll have a quick look inside. Just a quick update, hope you can hear me with the filter running, but that there is a pump, filter, heater and tempest for the outdoor grow on koi tank, and this is the one that I installed just before Christmas for the indoor. Just a bottom drain through the pump into the tempest, back into the Bakki shower. There's only 4 or 5 small fry in there that probably get eaten if I put them in the other tank. But what I intend to do is, between the pump and the tempest, is put a 1 kilowatt Cloverleaf heater, same as that one there, in place to replace the fish tank 300 watt inline heater there. So what I'm going to do is switch the pump off, disconnect the hose, connect up the Cloverleaf and then switch it back on. So what we're going to be fitting is a 1 kilowatt Cloverleaf inline heater. And you can see it's IP55 rated. It comes with 3/4 to 1.5 inch hose tail supplied, and these are available in 2 kilowatt as well. The small compact, quite efficient, and although it says includes a low pressure flow switch, I think the newer models have got a red LED light on there to show you if it's on and off and it's working, etc. And I think it can work at a low flow rate of about 2,000 litres an hour, but I'll be using it for 5,000 because I've got a tempest on there. Yeah, there you go. The flow switch is no longer used or required on the heater due to the introduction of a red LED indicator light. Minimum flow rate is now 2,000 litres an hour. When flow is interrupted, maintenance, this heater should still be isolated from the mains power. So what we've got there is a bag with some fittings in. So it's the same as the other one. What we've got is, you can get them all out. We've got the 1 kilowatt heater there with the red LED light on. It doesn't come with a plug on it because some people will fit them onto a switch control. I've got a Remora, no I haven't got a Remora. I've got a Secoh switch box connector, so I'm going to connect it straight into that. But you can put it on a plug, you can put it on a Blagdon, you can put it on any other type of switch controller, but just remember the flow. What you also get is solvent weld connector, a reducer to take it from, I think it's 50mm down to 1.5 inch, stepped hose tail. So basically cut off your hose to the right size, put your hose on, Jubilee clip it and screw that onto there. Job's a carrot. So sit back and we'll have a look. And as you can see, that's the finished product. Comes from a bottom drain, 2-inch bottom drain, straight into the PondXpert 10,000 Variflow. Out, I've got a rubber 1.5 inch straight connector into rubber hose, into the hose tail, through the heater, through a 90 elbow, into the tempest, and then back out the tempest through the Bakki. It's currently, you can see that, 19.7. There's only about four fish in there. So we'll see how that goes. I'll do a water parameter check on all 3 of the units. Hi, thanks for watching the video so far. As you've seen, we've fitted a 1 kilowatt heater to the indoor grow on tank. We've had a look at the Byer fry that are now coming up to nearly 7 months old, and you've seen how well they're growing. The grow on tank outside is heated to around 20 degrees. The outside main koi pond, which you've had a quick look at, that's heated at, it's set at 17 degrees, so it's going to be sat above 16 degrees, between 16 and 17 degrees. Over the last week or so, the temperature has been very mild, and it's only costing just over 85p a day at the moment, and that's to heat it 24/7. And that's using a Remora i12. Again, you don't have to heat the pond, you don't have to cover your pond, you do whatever suits your situation. I do it because I feed them well through the summer, and they put on some very big weight and size and girth and look really healthy and chunky. And if I didn't feed them through the winter and heat it, then they would use all the surplus fat and they'd digest it themselves, and they'd end up losing weight. So by keeping it heated, keeping it covered, I can keep feeding them, and they can continue to thrive and eat and swim around happily. As you've seen, they seem to be doing well. Like I say, if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and check out some more videos. If anybody wants any koi merchandise, koi enthusiast merchandise, please check out the store on akoienthusiast.co.uk. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. From a very warm 13 degrees in Chesterfield, Happy New Year, good luck in 2022, and happy ponding.